speaker, who was also on the flotilla which came under that criminal attack. Today I pay tribute to her courage, her humility and her dignity. Please welcome Sarah Colborne from the Palestine Solidarity Campaign.
This week, we saw innocent civilians murdered simply because they were trying to take humanitarian aid into Gaza. When we were there, I felt like I was some bit part in some weird horror movie, Pirates of the Mediterranean, with the Israelis taking a central role. Bullets flying everywhere, people being shot, people being killed. It was one of the most horrific experiences I'm sure that all of us who were on the Mavi Marmara had experienced. And the worst thing was knowing, when we were sitting with our hands bound on the deck, that Israel was trying to stop the world from knowing the truth. That Israel has confiscated our cameras. Israel had tried to cut the communications, the satellite communications. We knew we'd got some images out, but we knew that a lot of the images Israel was trying to silence. But what we're reliant on is all of the people who are witnesses on the Mavi Marmara, and on all of you. Because we need to get the truth out. We need to expose the lies of the Israelis on this, and we need justice for those who died, who were murdered. Israel thought it could get away with massacring people on the Mavi Marmara because it has massacred tens of thousands of Palestinians. It thought it could get away with imprisoning us because it is imprisoning 11,000 Palestinian political prisoners as we speak. I'm proud to have been on the Mavi Marmara and shared that time with those people. I'm proud that I was in prison with the wife of one of those men who was murdered by the Israelis. And I'm proud to be here today on this fantastic demonstration, knowing that all of you are going to go out, you're going to go back there to your communities, to your families and to your friends and build the movement, because what we need to do, as Kevin said, is seize this time. People have seen Israel for what it really is. They've seen the apartheid nature of Israel, and we have a duty now to work to end the siege, to end Israeli occupation, and to free Palestine.
Palestine! Under siege of Gaza! Under siege now! Under siege of Gaza!
We have a duty to never forget those who've given their lives for Palestinian freedom, not just on the boat on Mavi Marmara, but all of those Palestinians who've bravely given their lives over the decades for the cause of a free Palestine. We have to continue to work to break the siege. We have to join the movement, join the Palestine Solidarity Campaign, join Viva Palestina, join all of the movements, and we have to work together, because together, united, we can make that difference. We can make that change. We can force our government to listen. We can force all governments to listen, and we can force Israel to abide by international law. And we cannot stop, and I know that none of you will stop, until Palestine is free. And we have to send a message to the Israelis. They didn't just attack 700 odd people on that flotilla. They attacked millions of us. And we are going to stand together. We will